How's your first saltwater taffy?
I'm done.
We got from the beach.
Yep.
It's saltwater taffy. It's yummy. What are we doing right now?
We sitting in the car waiting to the rain top. Before we go into Burger King.
We gotta go into Burger King and play in the play area.
Yeah, and eat.
What are you gonna eat?
Burger.
French fries and burgers.
Yeah.
Really healthy.
No, you idiot.
What? What did you just say?
No, you idiot.
Do you look like an idiot?
Yeah.
Where did you hear that from? Horton Hears a Who? That doesn't sound very nice.
The tiny guy who's in the pet. The mayor of Horton Hears a Who.
The mayor of Whoville?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he said, "No, you idiot."
Oh, that's not a very nice thing to say, though, is it?
No.
Yeah, maybe we don't say that, right?
Because the guy, because the bar and
Ooh,
yeah.
that's lightning
Where?
outside. So what's Horton Hears a Who about?
You know what it is?
What is it about? What's Horton Hears a Who about?
Yeah.
Here, get off your... Here, let me see that part. Or you put that in your mouth or something. Here. Here, I'll get that. Ew. You put that in your mouth. You're gonna be so sticky. Was it getting in your teeth? Let me smile. Let me see. That's hilarious. Is it still there? Let me see. Yeah, it's gone. That stuff gets stuck in your teeth. We'll have to brush your teeth when we get home again.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's real sticky and sugary.
I don't want it anymore.
Okay, here, let me have it. Was it yummy though?
Mm-hmm.
Yum, 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 yum.
Let me see what
No,
color.
you can't have any more.
I don't see what color it is now.
There's all kinds of colors.
Yellow, purple.
I think Daddy went to Taco Bell last night.
Why?
What do you think? Is there evidence in here?
Anything?
Is there evidence in here of Daddy's Taco Bell? Evidence? Yeah.
What evidence?
Evidence is, like, information. Little pieces of information that, bring you to a conclusion.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I think Daddy went to Taco Bell. Is there anything in this card that would suggest that Daddy went to Taco Bell?
Yep.
What would make me think that?
There.
That bag? That's a piece of evidence, isn't it?
You want that bell right there.
Uh-huh. It's Taco Bell. Oh my goodness. We need to take that out and throw it in the trash can. You think it's stopped enough, raining enough, for us to run inside?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let me turn off the car. Okay. Wait a minute, you're gonna come out my side.
Yeah.
Yep, with me. Let's run into Taco Bell, or into Burger King.
You said it was Taco Bell.
I said it was Taco Bell. Where are the
No,
keys? Oh,
no,
the lights are on.
Maybe you're not. Maybe that's silly.
Oh my gosh, it's raining so hard. Come on. Now don't run until I grab your hand, okay? All right, come on. Come on, come on, come on. It's raining. Come on, come on. All right, Han. All right, let's go, let's go. Run, run, run. Oh my goodness. It's so wet. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, be careful. It might be slick. The floor might be slicky. Are you soaking wet?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah. I see your hair.
Yeah, I see your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hurry.
All right, let's go up.
Run back to the car.
Run back to the car. Well, let's go order. All right. Tell her what you want.
I'll take fries and a burger.
And a burger, a kid's meal?
Alright.
What do you want on your burger?
Cheese and mayonnaise.
Cheese and mayonnaise.
And mayonnaise, yeah. What would you like to drink?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. All right.
All right.